So I first arrived in Mhoireasdain in January 2013, and when I moved here I realised that Gaelic was quite a lively language and it was used every day. At first I was trying to get to grips with a new school and new colleagues and new pupils and everything, so I was keen to learn, but I thought I would leave it a wee while before I started, so I didn't actually start learning Gaelic until September 2013. And I just started with conversation classes after school, so it was kind of more of a hobby to start with, and I enjoyed going to conversation classes after school. And after about a year of doing that, in fact no, after about 6 months of doing that, I got the opportunity to go on a Bosna Gaelic immersion course at Sgoil Lionacleit. So I thought, this is the point when I had to make a decision. Am I serious about doing this, or is it just a hobby? Is it going to become something more? I had the week in Skye and I made a lot of progress. I met a lot of really nice people and got a lot of encouragement about thinking about learning Gaelic to fluency and maybe becoming a Gaelic medium teacher. So when I came back after the summer, I started on Sgoil Lionacleit at Sgoil Lionacleit, and I did the Banlua, the fast track course for that. Continued with the conversation classes after school. And once I'd finished Sgoil Lionacleit, I went on to Mhoireasdain. So that was kind of my more sort of formal learning journey, as well as the kind of informal opportunities that I was getting in the community. I was at the stage with my learning where I was probably about intermediate level, and I knew that I was sort of starting to plateau, and that I needed to find another course. I needed to find something that would allow me to get to fluency. And I'd heard about the gift course from people when I'd been at other CPD events for Gaelic, and I thought that it sounded like an ideal opportunity in terms of having the chance to reach fluency, but also a good professional development opportunity as well, in terms of I would get the opportunity to do placements in other schools and go to events, professional development events that I don't normally get to attend because of my commitments at school. So it was a professional development opportunity, but it was also an opportunity to get my Gaelic to fluency as well. I'm really glad to be back teaching. I think one of the things that I realised, especially in my 4-week placement, my teaching placement, was how much I love being a teacher and how much I was missing the classroom. And by the end of the year, I was desperate to get back to Sgoil Lionacleit and teach again. It's been a bit of an adjustment. I've gone from being a full-time student to being back being a full-time teacher, but it's a challenge, but it's an enjoyable challenge. I would really encourage people to consider doing the gift course, particularly if they have been teaching for a number of years and their Gaelic is at intermediate level and Gaelic medium teaching is something that would interest them. It's a really good professional development opportunity for both your Gaelic and your teaching, and we very rarely get the opportunities as teachers to visit other schools and to meet and work with other colleagues as much as you do on the gift course, so it's a really good opportunity for, as I say, both professional development and developing your Gaelic as well.